Hey everybody, today I'm doing an unboxing review of Funko's Savage World Thundercats line Slither. I picked him up at GameStop, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be most retail places that sell Funko products. I always loved Thundercats. Never had any of the toys when I was I was younger, never had the figures. Let's pop him open and see how he is. Comes with his axe. Kind of smells odd, but definitely a heavier plastic than most action figure lines. Wow, really trying hard to... There we go. Very limited articulation. Has a very 80s He-Man feel to him. Arms go up and down. That's it. No elbow or hand articulation. No waist. Legs can go up and down like that. Tail doesn't turn. But head doesn't do back and forth. But still looks like a great figure. Likeness is done very well. And I like the green, the very amphibian look that I had when the original series came out. So definitely a mixture of the Thundercat figures and the He-Man figures, which I think is what Funko is going for. And it looks really nice. I should like him. I'm definitely going to get more of the Thundercats line. According to the back of the box, there's 2 waves. Wave 2 is not out. I'm definitely going to have to pick up the other guys. This Slither here looks pretty bang on. There you go. I think it's definitely worth collecting these if you're a Thundercats fan, or if you like the He-Man style of figures. Definitely worth getting. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Leave some comments, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.